Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos. Hello, my name is Ashish. Welcome to Increase SEO Traffic with WordPress. By the end of this project, you will learn how to increase SEO in your free WordPress website. You will add elements to an existing WordPress website and manage content in order to increase SEO. You will learn to read analytics within WordPress in order to drive content management related to SEO within your free WordPress website. Let's get started. You should navigate to www.wordpress.com. You should already have a WordPress account and you should be logged in with your website loaded in order to edit it. If you have not logged in and loaded your website editor, pause the video now to log into your WordPress account and load your website. You should navigate to your website dashboard in order to begin setting up your website. We are going to use an existing website in WordPress. If you do not have an existing website, you can learn to build one in the Coursera project. Build a full website around a blog using WordPress. In that project, you will build a website about bicycles. Let's head to our website. Click on the My Site button in the upper left corner of the page. Your website should be loaded and ready to edit. Before we continue, there are a couple of things you should know about SEO. Some of you may not be very familiar with SEO. It means search engine optimization, and it's very important. You might be thinking that you've built this amazing website, but how do you get people to see it? It's SEO. It's a way to build a website that includes optimized code and formatting to make it easier for search engines like Google, Bing, and Yandex to find your website. So basically, search engines rank websites. If your website content isn't search engine optimized, then the search engine doesn't know how to rank it, which means your website won't get visitors. It sounds technical, but it's really not, and we won't get technical in this project. You'll learn some super easy tips to begin driving traffic to your free website. In this lesson, I'll show you some quick and easy ways to optimize your website that you've already created. We will actually touch on each of these social links, keywords, and content in this project. First, let's take a look at our visibility settings. Click on the WP admin link on the toolbar on the left. You may have to sign into your admin dashboard. Please do so now. Click on Settings, then click Reading. Scroll down to Site Visibility. Make sure the radio button or box next to the sentence "Discourage search engines from indexing this site" is not clicked. We want to allow search engines to index the site. Currently, my site is set to private. We are going to make it visible and allow search engines to index the site. So make sure this radio button is selected. And if you made a change, scroll down to click Save Changes. Your settings have now been saved. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.